Hey everyone, I'm going to go over the tools and power of using insurance toolkits to help you underwrite policies better and to quickly assist your clients. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is pull up how insurance toolkits works, and I'll briefly talk about it just so that way you have an understanding. There's tons of YouTube videos out there on how to use this program, but I'm just going to go over it for our agents so that way we're both on the same page. So once you get logged into an insurance toolkits account, it'll look something like this. At the top hand corner right here, you'll have final expense and term options where you can select between the two different types of products you want to quote. Here on the right side, you'll be able to select health conditions or medications where you'll be able to type in whatever the client has. Like let's use metformin, for example. You'll be able to put it in. It's going to go through a series of questions. You fill out the questions on whatever is necessary for the client, and it will automatically quote whatever is available. Make sure you always put in their height and weight and age, state, and then whatever payment method they use, including with nicotine use or not. You'll be able to see the different options available, which options aren't available and why. And then you can simply just click on EAP and it will take you straight to the EAP. It can't get any easier than this. This is the primary way that we would recommend you using this kit, so that way you know where to quote and what to go to. Additionally, same thing for term. You can kind of look up like same medications or quote it by price. You can get a couple ideas, term, whole life, final expense, ages of term, amount of insurance, price per month, all of that great stuff. And then it helps you underwrite the policy a little more efficient and will help you get to the application much faster. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're always here to help.